If you have never paid attention to any of my previous videos, you see this particular one, I want you to stick to it. And one favor you can do for yourself is to look into any of these 10 UK visas I'm going to talk about and then research on that particular one that represents your interest. But before I talk on these visa types, let's go on a short break. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Quite a number of people have come asking me several questions about traveling abroad for one reason or the other. This is to reinforce the interest a lot of people have to migrate or relocate to another country, whether to seek greener pastures and attendant exposures or to obtain international qualifications for self-development. These and many more reasons create the surge and urge to leave the comfort of one's home country for another. However, the information to get your dreams come true, whether to study, whether to get a job with an international brand, or clinch dual citizenship is there on the internet, but a lot of people don't know how to extract this information, and that's why I'm here on this channel to give you an exposure on these not too known opportunities. And here is the interesting thing. Always try to watch my videos to the very end so that you don't miss out on important information. And if you are just getting to see my channel for the first time, I say you are welcome and do well to help your boy by subscribing to my channel. And if you are my returning subscriber, I'm sending out cases and hugs to you. You are my real MVP. Alright, the very first visa I'm going to talk about is skilled worker visa, and of course number 4 is my favorite. The first type of UK visa you should consider is a skilled worker visa. In fact, there are a lot of companies in the UK that have gotten license, that is, they go ahead from the UK government to sponsor international applicants who wish to work in the UK. Going through the UK official website to check the list of licensed UK companies eligible to recruit from outside the UK, the companies recruiting under the skilled worker visa account for almost 90% of the statistics. That figure came from me though through my personal research and observation, and this is to say a lot of opportunities lies in this route. For you to be eligible, you must have gotten a job offer with a licensed UK company, and they must also give you a certificate of sponsorship, and the job must be in the shortage occupation list. And lastly, you will be required to prove your knowledge of English, and if you are a doctor, nurse, midwife, veterinary doctor and the likes, you will not be required to prove your knowledge of English once you pass the required English language exam accepted by the respective regulated professional bodies. So what benefits are there with this visa type? The very first one is that you can get a job in the shortage occupation list, and then this visa gives you the opportunity to study. Not only does it give you the opportunity to do that, you can also bring partner and children to UK as dependents. Still on this visa type, you can engage in voluntary work, travel abroad and return to the UK, and if you have lived in the UK for at least 5 years, this visa allows you to apply for settlement, also known as indefinite leave to remain, after satisfying other eligibility requirements. Isn't that sweet? Well, you decide. Let's talk about the second visa type on the list, which is the Global Talent Visa. The Global Talent Visa is for individuals who can prove they are leaders or potential leaders in the following field of academia or research, art and culture, and digital technology. This type of visa is also for those who have received one or more rewards from UK's recognized awarding bodies in the following fields, in addition to those mentioned earlier, such as science, engineering, humanities, medicine, film and television, fashion design and architecture. To clinch this visa, you must have won an award from the list of organizations in the description section under this video in any of the highlighted categories, or that you have successfully applied for an endorsement on the UK government website on any of the above mentioned fields. Kindly find the link to the endorsement page in the description under this video. I have attached useful links for you to get started on this visa pathway. You may want to ask me, what are the benefits of this visa type? Well, I'm glad to inform you that holders of this visa can work for up to 5 years. They can extend their visa stay in the UK, and they can also get an indefinite leave to remain in the UK so you can settle. You can live, work and study in the UK with this visa type, and lastly, you will be entitled to some benefit as well. So basically, if you have won or received an award from any of the recognized awarding bodies or organizations, you can easily proceed to get your visa without having to go through the endorsement stage. Always check the description section. The third UK visa I want to briefly talk about is the High Potential Individual Visa. Imagine having the opportunity to move to the UK simply because you got a qualification from some listed universities recognized by the UK government. Okay, you still may not understand. Supposing you graduated from Harvard or University of Yale, University of Toronto, or some other universities recognized by this scheme, and then this qualifies you to apply for this visa type. That is what the High Potential Individual Visa is all about. But you must apply for this visa within 5 years you got the qualifications from the eligible universities. So let's talk about what you can and what you cannot do with this visa. With this visa, you can work in most jobs. You can also look for jobs. You can be self-employed. You can live in the UK with your partner and children if they are eligible. You can do voluntary work. You can as well travel abroad and return to the UK, but you cannot apply for most public funds or state pension. You cannot work as a professional sports person. You cannot extend this visa. That's it. And you cannot apply to settle permanently in the UK. That's that on that. Alright, let's talk about the fourth visa type, which is my favorite. Hey guys, I'm talking about health and care worker visa. This type of visa basically allows medical professionals to stay or work in the UK. To qualify for a health and care worker visa, you must be a qualified doctor, nurse, health professional, or adult social care professional. You must work in an eligible health or social care job and work for a UK employer that has been approved by the UK Home Office. And also you must have a certificate of sponsorship from your employer with information about the role you have been given in the UK. And you must be paid a minimum salary. And how much depends on the type of work you do. And on this visa, you can stay up to 5 years in the UK and then extend your visa as many times as you want. This visa also qualifies you for settlement in the UK after a period of 5 years. And this visa also gives waiver for the UK healthcare surcharge for you and your partner and children. So basically, you are not going to pay for healthcare surcharge. You can read up on this visa type. I have also attached a link to it under this video. The next visa on the list is scaleup visa. And what is special about this visa is that it's the new visa described as the biggest visa improvement in a generation by the Coalition for a Digital Economy, and the long-awaited visa is set to launch by 22nd of August 2022. This type of visa targets individuals who are talented in a particular skill set needed in companies that have transitioned from the startup phase to scaling their businesses. This is similar to the skilled worker visa in that it allows the holder to stay and work in the UK for up to 5 years, and this can as well lead to settlement, subject to visa extension, and many more similarities. The difference largely is the salary threshold, where a person employed under the scale-up route earns more than the skilled worker applicant. I'll be on the lookout for the launch of this visa pathway come August 2022, so I may keep you updated. The sixth visa I want to talk about is charity worker visa. This visa is for those who wish to take up voluntary roles in charity organizations in the UK. I have talked about this visa in my previous videos. Kindly check it out through the link down below. So let's talk about the next visa. Assuming you have an innovative idea alien to the UK market as a budding or seasoned entrepreneur and you want to set up and run the business in the UK, the type of visa you'll be needing is called the Innovator visa. If you do not qualify for other visa pathways and you have over £60,000 in your account to set up a new business in the UK, this might just be what you have to do. However, you will need to request for an endorsement of that business idea from a recognized UK endorsing body to access your business idea. The category your business belongs will determine the endorsing body that accesses the business concept. This body will provide you an endorsement letter if your business qualifies, and this will form a part of the document needed to apply for this visa. So next on the list is Sportsperson visa. This visa requires that if you are a coach or a sport person in your home country and your endorsing body is ready to recognize and endorse your application, then this visa is for you. Amidst other requirements, you must be able to prove your knowledge of English language. You must have a valid certificate of sponsorship and demonstrate that you can travel to UK and show your travel history over the last 5 years. And then you must have tuberculosis test done if you are from a listed country. This visa lasts for only 3 years and can be extended for as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. And after 5 years, this visa can lead to settlement in the UK. The second to the last on the list is Investor visa. Unfortunately, you can no longer apply for this visa. If you had once applied for this visa and already in the UK, you can only extend the visa for 2 years or apply for settlement, and then lastly, bring your family members to join you, your dependents in this case. The last but not the least of visas I want to talk about is the Minister of Religion visa. To get this visa, you must have been offered a job in the faith community, whether as a missionary or a minister of religion or member of a religious association. The other requirements include the ability to prove your knowledge of English language, that you can read, write and speak, that you have personal savings of about £1,000, your TB test results, etc. To summarize what I've been said so far, some of these 10 UK visas can lead to settlement and permanent residency in UK. These visas include skilled worker visa, global talent visa, high potential individual visa, health and care worker visa, scale-up visa, charity worker visa, sportsperson visa, innovator visa, investor visa, and lastly, minister of religion visa. Having learned about the 10 different UK visas, I hope you will be able to make good use of this information to walk yourself through the immigration journey into your dream country. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.